I see in your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp link, a link like this. Click on it. It will lead you to a Google Classroom, but I recommend you to use Google Chrome browser instead of other browsers, since it is a Google Classroom. So if you are not set your browser default browser to Google, just copy down this link and go to your preferred account, Google account, paste the link and click enter. Then your class will be loaded, and at your first site you will see your class code and any other information available, and upcoming notices are mentioned here, and class content will be available in this pane right hand side. In the left hand side, you can see the controls of the classroom, or you can either archive the classrooms after you finish it. You have access to the classes that you have enrolled here, and to-do list also available, so you can narrow down your scope to the desired class. FDN 3122 is the class that you're working on at the moment, and there's an upcoming assignment that is on July 15th. This is an example, don't worry. And if you miss something by the deadline, it will be available here. And if you complete something by the deadline, it also available here. Then let's go to the class again, and here you have the stream, classwork, and people. The people, you may see who else joined in the classroom, and in the classes you can select the topic. At the moment it's only the introduction here, but later on it will be advanced to many other topics. So under those topics you can have access to the content. The content could be text or a voice record, or something like a YouTube video like this, or
Most of us are familiar with the
a image like this, because the things that I need to share with you will be shared in this virtual note. So you don't need to take any notes. If you like, you can take down any notes. But yet everything is available here. You can click on the quizzes and puzzles, maybe some questionnaires in future. So like this you can fill it and submit. Then everything will recorded here in the classroom, and yeah, that's it. So then in future, most of the titles will be available here under many topics. So you can, once you go back again, you can narrow down for introduction or the lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, like that. It will be available in future. So just keep in your mind that everything is organized into a chronological order. Here number 1 is introduction to information literacy. Then again it could be 1.1, 1.3, like that. Here an example, 0.1.3, that is 5 components of information literacy. So once we are working on that class, you can simply click on this link and load the content and follow up. So I expect you will follow this Google Classroom at the same time you are listening to the Zoom lectures. So we can amalgamate using internet, the browsing internet, and hands-on sessions using your laptop, and listening to the Zoom sessions, and also access to the course materials provided here. It's something more similar to an LMS, but it's work on the Google Cloud. you log in, you can log into a class or a session, and you can comment. You can make any comments here. Let's say, please, I didn't understand. Please explain more. Something like this. You can paste on. You can comment on any of these assignments or the lectures or the content available here. So please keep in the mind that this is visible to everyone in the class. There are 120. So if you enter something, all the 120 people will see it. So once one little thing about assignments. Once you see an assignment, you can either go to the assignment, and the assignment could be a quiz like this. Yeah, and this quiz is made using another Google service, Google Forms. So if it is a Google form like this, you can simply make your answers here and submit it. Sometimes I may ask you to write down something in a document. So in such a situation, you can add or create documents, slides, sheets, or a drawing. And anything you can put in your Google Drive, and you can share it even in the Google Drive. For example, if it is a Google Doc, click on Google Docs, and you have to wait until it loading. Okay, I have make a pop-up blocking, and I will remove that pop-up blocking. And now the Google Doc is loading. So we can type our answers in this Google document. Better you write down your name and index number, so I can easily trace down you. You can even mention the title here, your name, and index number in the assignment title. Likewise, it could be a creative one, so it's totally fine. Just once you have done, just click on, just close it. It is automatically saved, and the assignment or the creative work you make as the answer for this assignment is here. You can add many more by clicking on this add or create, then turn in. Don't forget to click on this button. Unless until you turn it in, I cannot see it, so turn it in. And your assignment, your answer script is submitted to me, to my Google Cloud. Then I will review it, and all the reviews and comments will be available. So if I make a private comment, it will available here for your individual account. If I make a group notice or a group announcement regarding the assignment, it will also available here in the announcements. And if you need to add any comment, you can likewise, you can make some comments as well. So these comments will be visible to everyone. So that's about assignments and how to submit your assignments online. So everything in this Google Classroom will happen online. So it's easy for you to work in.